Post that only they will enter into some kind of thing.
If they have already told you that we cannot go ahead with this proposal, please let us know how it is. Now, if you still have hope, 100% hope that whether it will happen or not, that is secondary. But till date, they didn't say no, right? What is the proposal? They have not told no. That is for sure. But at the same time, they didn't say yes also. They need to be.
ಮೂರುವರೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯಿತು, 2 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐತೆ.